Which is stronger, 2015 Camaro fender or my fist? Now don't try this at home unless you're an idiot. You get hurt, it's on your own fault. I'm just a big guy. I'm actually peaceful. I don't hit nobody out of anger, never have. I'm just bored. I'm gonna throw this thing away anyway. Ready? Don't make them like they used to. It'll buff out. Now I'll pop it back out with my foot and do the left hand.
Now for the YouTube censors, this is simply metal testing. The density of metal against flesh and bone. Which matter is stronger? Which inertia can hold more strength? Dig up your
Pipe.
My dad hurt a little bit because that slid. Still no broke skin. Thank y'all for watching. Nope, my hands are fine.
My dad hurt a little bit because that slid. Still no broke skin. Thank y'all for watching. Nope, my hands are fine.